Hey everyone, it's Trader Rob. Today is Friday, May 8th. Well, Cash Profit Friday did not go as expected here this morning. Took two kind of nasty losses. The last trade of the morning was super unfortunate. Had a really nice risk to reward trade on my NQ ABT strategy. And as I'll show you guys here in the chart, got stopped out by a few points just to go see it rip 90 points in the direction of the trade that I was hoping for, which would have been about a 60-point profit on that one, which would have changed the entire trajectory of the day. Because I probably would have stayed trading a little bit more active, and if I would have caught some really, really nice setups going into the afternoon. But, I mean, this is a part of trading. Not every day is going to be profitable. What we're really looking for is, profitability over a week span, over a month span, a quarter, and ultimately throughout the year. That's the ultimate goal. So let's get into the charts. I'll show you guys some of the trades that I took, some of the trades that I missed, which, again, always in hindsight. You got to be in front of the charts to take them. But I'll show you what I did take. All right, so this was a second trade of the morning, which was a kind of a classic ABT NQ setup. Really nice. I mean, obviously we were trending to the upside pretty much all morning, and we finally got a nice little mini uptrend here. We had a break of structure right here, which again, all beautiful things that I'm looking for. 1, 2, 3, 4 bars up. Got one retracement bar down to the downside. That activates my setup. And what I'm looking for is I got my fixed volume profile tool to let the volume tell me where my entries and my stops are. So on this one, natural entry was at the point of control, which was sitting at the 29,110. I had my stop sitting at the 29,075. Yes, you can see where once this line disappears, you can see where my stop was triggered right here, right at the break of structure, again to control my risk. And where was my TP? Well, my TP was sitting right up here on this trade. So my reward was this, my risk was this. Again, almost a 1 to 2, probably a 1 to 1 3/4 risk to reward trade. And yes, got stopped out there by about 2 points just to see the market do this. Rip right to where my take profit was at. So after this trade, I'm sorry. No, I did take one more trade right after that. I took my initial balance trade that was right here. We did get stopped out of that one. And again, just to see this thing rip to the downside. So again, it was just a little unfortunate. Same thing yesterday. I think it was literally 1 or 2 points in either direction. And, both yesterday and today would have been a much different outcome. But so is trading. That is what it's all about. And if I continue on with the theme, got another setup here on the ABT. This was occurred at right about lunchtime. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4 up. Finally get our retracement bar right here. That activates my strategy, fixed volume profile tool, just to incorporate this leg right here. You would have had an entry at your at the point of control, target right at the break of structure. Obviously, stop sitting right here, probably closer to a 1 to 1 on this one. Oops, that was a bad bracket. But this would have been my risk right here. This would have been my reward right here. So again, very close to a 1 to 1. I was on the NQ. ES gave you a setup at about 10:30 in the morning. So right after my stream. And again, just a really, really nice setup. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4 legs up. Got our retracement bar right here. Fixed volume profile tool. Take along at the value area low. TP right at the break of structure. Knocked it right to the point right there. Really nice trade. Better than a 1-to-1. And then this one was I talk about these on stream all the time. You guys probably laugh at me when I say that these are the ones that excite me so much. Well, here we go. You want to talk about risk to reward? 1, 2, 3 up. Got a retracement bar. Fixed volume profile tool just to incorporate this leg right here. I trade this on the ES, the 12 range footprint chart. And once you get your fixed volume profile tool, all of your entries are here. We see nothing missing here, so there's no entry here. Where's the entry? Right here. At the value area, I'm sorry, at the point of control. Value area low is only like a tick below. You didn't even need that. Literally, right here is your break of structure. It does not tap in. Missed it by a tick. And what do? We came all the way right back into value area high, which would right there, I mean, you're talking about, guys, this is like an insane risk to reward. This is like a 1-to-8. So, I mean, again, it was a little unfortunate this morning that this is a huge leg to the upside. This was a little oversized for my taste, but yeah, it was just, again, a little unfortunate. A few trades here or there, a few points here or there. Probably keeps me into the trading session a little longer. Probably would have capitalized on either the NQ or one of those ES trades, and would have changed the day dramatically. But there's always next week. There's always the next day. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the content and enjoying my teaching style with volume. I truly do appreciate all the support that I do get here on YouTube. I will not be live streaming next week until Friday. Until that Friday, I'll do another Cash Profit Friday. Hopefully we have a little bit more luck. But again, I will not be live streaming on Monday through Thursday next week. If I'm able to get on, maybe in the afternoon, I will post it. I'll schedule it just to, the afternoons have been pretty solid with some price action. So if that continues next week, I'll be able to jump on with you guys here. But either way, I will, throughout next week, I will be videoing every trade that I set up that I am able to take. And I'll post a little recap, hopefully once a day. All right, guys, if you are looking at either Apex, Tradeify, or Lucid, I would appreciate using the code TraderRob. That's the only thing I ask from you. Otherwise, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Take care, guys. Have a great weekend.